Withdraw money in CoinMarket app. The first thing that you need to do is open up CoinMarket app on your mobile and make sure it is updated to the latest version available. After that, sign into your account and you will be redirected to this page. Once you get into the app, now from here you can see the market cap of every coin. After that, tap to go into portfolio from the top. From the bottom bar, then you can see the overview of all portfolios from here. Now tap to create a new portfolio. From here you can choose any of the three options. You can connect your wallet. For this, you just have to enter your wallet address and new wallet connection name. Or you can also connect your Binance account, or you can add transaction manually as well. So just click on add transactions manually. From here, creating a portfolio is so easy. All you need to do is enter your wallet name and done after creating it. Go into it and tap on add transaction here, then choose the coin you want to transfer. Now enter the amount and tap to add transaction. After that, your transaction will be added to the transaction history of the portfolio. Just like this, you can also add different transactions under one wallet. So that's how you can withdraw money in CoinMarket app. That's all.